guys, and welcome back to another vlog, beauty maintenance edition. I just took some knotless braids down, so I'm about to get my hair treated here at the salon by my girl VJ.
Cavalier.
Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my record. Since 16, I was coming down riding Lexus. How you gon' make this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got so loud, Greg. What about my body? What about my body? I'm in the house all alone, you rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body. Acting like I'm nobody, you don't make me cost that.
Alright you guys, so my hair turned out so beautiful, right? This picture here is before she trimmed it. She just had to dust the ends, and this is just the middle part. I am so proud of my hair, you guys. It has come so far, especially from last year. The pictures that you guys are about to see right now, this is from June of just last year, you guys. VJ has worked miracles on my hair. Also, me not getting a relaxer has truly helped. I mean, the material is here. The picture is here. Hair is definitely growing, getting stronger. I love it so much. So I couldn't keep recording because my phone died, but my hair looks so good. It looks so good. I'm very proud. Very, very, very proud. Y'all already know the vibes. I'm here again at 2020 Lux Spa to get my toes done and my nails done. Y'all, I need a pedicure so bad, it's not even funny. Like for the past month, I've been painting my own toes, and girl, the gulk and skin got to go. Okay, it gotta go. So I'm here waiting to see my girl Jackie. You guys, I am still so in love with her nail salon. It is absolutely amazing. It has so many options of things to do here. Look at me. I was having a good day here. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, so I got my nails done. They look so good. Oh, these nails look so good. This is like my favorite style to get. I feel like in my last maintenance video I did this exact set and the exact same color on my toes. But oh, it's such a vibe. It's such a vibe. On to the next thing. Alright you guys, so we're about to get a workout session in. These are new from my last recorded workout session with you guys. I've been using these for the past month instead of using water bottles. Guys, these are my new workout shoes that I got. These are Skechers. Y'all, these feel like walking on air. They have that arch fit and the air cool, the gel. Like you guys, I got these from Shoe Department for like $72. Man, amazing. Amazing. All right, if you're looking for some good workout shoes, Skechers are the way to go. I've already done this week 3 sessions of HIIT, so we're gonna take it pretty slow and easy today and just do a quick low impact cardio workout for beginners. I love HasFit. They be working your girl out. but I got my sweat belt on. So all right, y'all, so I'm done. I feel so good. I'm probably I feel like I'm breathing weird, but it's okay. I feel good. Saturday workout is complete. Now we can go on and do some more fun stuff. The month of June is coming on down. We got what, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday left to complete this month of workout sessions. Very proud of myself. Very, very proud. Speaking of being proud, I wanted to share with you guys just a little bit of my before and after pictures. I've been working out from home since February, and the inches and the pounds are slowly coming off, and I'm just so proud of myself. I am already enough, and I want to let you know at home, if you're on your own personal journey, sis, we are already enough. Alright, you guys, so of course we are also going to be doing a little waxing in this video. I'm not going to be telling you guys exactly how I do it because I actually have a video up on my channel detailing how you wax. So if you're interested in that, hit the link above. But other than that, we're going to go ahead and get this process started. Baby, I love you. Like I always say in these, please forgive me for the ugly faces. Girl, I be having to get in there, like underneath the double chin. I need it all gone, okay? And I hadn't waxed in quite some time, so I had some that was still embedded that I had to go back in and get with the tweezers. Alright, you guys, so we are coming to the end of this video. I really truly hope that you guys enjoyed it. Unfortunately, my camera died again, so you guys won't see me actually waxing like underneath, but trust me, girl, I went under there and got that too. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, please comment down below so that I can continue to bring these vlogs to you guys. I love y'all. See you in the next video.